How to add and organize your media in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your DaVinci Resolve project and go to the Media tab at the bottom of the interface. This is where you'll import and manage all your media files. To add your media, simply right-click inside the media pool and choose Import Media. Then browse and select the files you want to use. You can also drag and drop files directly from your file explorer into the media pool. Next, it's important to organize your media for better workflow. Create bins by right-clicking inside the media pool and selecting New Bin. Give each bin a name based on the type of content you have like video, audio, music, or graphics. This way you can keep everything neatly separated and easy to find during the editing process. You can also create sub-bins within each bin if you are working on a complex project. For example, under the video bin, you can make sub-bins for different scenes or camera angles. To create a sub-bin, just right-click on a bin and select New Bin again. Another tip is to color label your clips. Right-click any clip in the media pool, go to Clip Color and pick a color. This makes it easy to visually identify clips in the timeline later on. Finally, don't forget to save your project frequently to avoid losing any progress. And that's it. Now you know how to add and organize your media in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.